Hi, this is Shubham, and in this video, we will learn about the left anti-join and right anti-join in Power Query. So again, we will go to data, get data, combine queries, and then merge. So then I will select the table 1 here and table 2 here, identify the common key, and then I will press select left anti-join and I press OK. So now the Power Query window will appear with the data. And as you can see here, there is a formula bar here in the Power Query, which consists of M language code. M language, if you want to go to advanced editor, you can explore the M language as well. So M language is not much difficult. It just needs a lot of practice, and with the time and experience, you will get an hands on it. But this is very important language to learn these days. So now I will explain the columns from the table 2, and I will click on close and load. So all the transactions which are not matching from the table 2 will come in the left empty join. And as you can see as an output that all the transactions from the table 1 which are not matching gives me as an output, right? And the last kind of join, which is the sixth kind of a join, is right anti-join. So again, I go to merge option and I will click on two tables, table 1. People do always remember that you need to give a proper nice names to your merging databases. Otherwise, it will come like merge 1, merge 2, merge 3, which will, later on, you will get confused. And what kind of a table it is, always give the proper name. Product ID will be the common column, and in the join kind from the list, as you can observe that I don't need to write any kind of a SQL here. I just need to select the right kind of a join. So in this last example, I am selecting the right anti-join and I will press OK. And now the Power Query Editor window will appear. And from here, I will expand the table 2. And as we can see that all those transactions from the right table, which were not matching from the left, is in my output. So I will press close and load button, and it will give me an output in my Excel interface, right? So far, so good. We have discussed 6 different kinds of joins, their purposes, their behavior, in the output, in the Excel, the same interface and the same concept we will learn in Power BI as well. Thank you.